Ria and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, a very happy Onam to all my Malayali friends out there. I was going to do this video in Malayalam, but my Malayalam is so bad, guys. Like, I did try one a couple of years back, but that, you know, my husband, he translated everything and gave me a script and I was just reading it. So now since he's not here, he's out of town, so I thought, okay, let me at least do this video in English. So yeah, this is the makeup look I have created for Onam. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, there's absolutely nothing on my face. I've just applied my moisturizer and now I'm going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Primer. And I really like using this primer because it just gives you a much more nice moisturized base. So you know, your foundation sits well on your skin. And now for foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I've already done a video on this foundation, so in case you have not seen that, I will mention it in the description box below. But basically I am obsessed with this foundation. It is so good. And on days I just want to look flawless, I mean my base, then I only use this foundation because it is such a full coverage foundation. And now because I have a lot of marks, like you can see, so I prefer using this foundation. So like you can see, all the spots are almost covered. There's a bit more over here, so for that I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Born This Way concealer now. Okay, so that's our foundation done. Now I am going to apply the LA Girl Pro Concealer in my under eye area. Now for my under eye area, I love using the LA Girl Concealer because this does not, you know, settle into my like fine lines, whatever I have in my under eye area. Most of the other concealers tend to settle in my fine lines, so that's why I prefer using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, so that's our base done. I've also set my entire face using the Makeup Forever banana powder. Now I am to start my eye makeup. So firstly I'm going to brush my brows, and for that I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. Yeah, so that's our eyebrows done. Now we'll start with our eye makeup. For that I'm using this Imagic eyeshadow palette. Like you can see here, it has like very beautiful tones, warm tones. So first I'm going to start with this shade right here called Smoked. Okay. I'm going to slowly, you know, build it up. Okay. Next, I am going to take this shade right here called Drive. So this shade I'm going to apply on my inner corner. Then I'm on the center, I'm going to apply Rebel, and finally I'm going to deepen my outer third area. So first I've just placed it, and then later on we'll blend it. Next I'm taking this slightly more coppery toned shade called Rebel, and I'm going to apply this on my center lid here. And now with my fingers itself, I'm just going to blend both the shades like this. So you know, it's kind of a gradient effect. Now I'm going to again blend everything with this shade Smoked again, using the same blending brush. And now to deepen the outer corner, I'm going to be taking the shade Vamp right here and mix it with a bit of black, and I'm going to deepen the outer corners. So like that, I've just deepened my outer corner with the help of these two shades, Vamp and a bit of Pout. Okay, so this is what it looks like currently. And again, I'm going to blend it all in with my first blending brush. I'm again going to take the same shade Vamp and apply it in my below my waterline. So that's our eyeshadow done. Now I am going to apply my falsies, kajal, as well as I'm going to curl my lashes. Next I'm going to apply a winged liner. Now I'm going to apply my kajal. So for that I'm using this Color Bar Dreamy Black Intensely Rich Kajal. I really love using this kajal because it's like super jet black. See, I did not have to even tug or pull my lower lash line. Now I'm going to wear my false lashes and be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I did apply my false lashes. Now I'm going to contour my face as well as apply my blush and highlight. Okay, so that's a highlight, blush and contour done. Now it's time for lipsticks. Now for lipsticks I have two options. You can either go with something like this, like a brown toned nudish color, or even you can go with a bright dark red. So it depends on you. So now I'm going to finish setting my hair, wearing jewelry, and then I'm going to be right back. So I am back. Like you can see, I did apply my bindi, sindoor and jewelry as well. So this look that I have created will go in any kind of any color blouse that you wear. Like I am personally wearing a golden blouse, but even if you are wearing a red, green or any color blouse, I think this look is pretty neutral, so it will go in with any kind of blouse. Also the lip color is pretty neutral, muted, but it depends on you. If you feel like you can even change this lip color with a red or a dark maroon color, that again would look great with this eye makeup look. So yeah, this is the look that I have created. Do let me know in the comments how did you like this look. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Again, a very happy Onam to all my Malayali friends out there. And yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.